Welcome to a journey through the world of finance, where one company reigns supreme. BlackRock, the behemoth of asset management, holds up to a whopping $10 trillion in assets under management, the biggest in the world. But that's not all. With CEO Larry Fink at the helm, this company has become a significant player in the fight against global warming. Fink's rallying call for better ESG standards in a letter to shareholders at the beginning of the decade has sparked a global conversation. And now, BlackRock is using its influence to push for change on a massive scale. But what makes BlackRock so powerful? And how did they get here? Join us as we explore the secrets to their success and uncover their plans for the future of the global economy. What is BlackRock Inc.? Imagine being able to invest your money in a vast array of options, including stocks, fixed income, options, and money market funds, all while having the security of risk mitigation solutions. That's exactly what BlackRock offers to its clients in over 100 countries around the world, from the USA to Asia Pacific, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. But it's not just about the investment options. BlackRock's strength lies in its specialized investment managers and other financial experts who work tirelessly to help clients achieve their financial goals. And if you prefer to work with the finance middleman, such as a wealth manager or bank, BlackRock has you covered too. BlackRock Inc. is a global powerhouse that manages assets, mitigates risk, and advises clients from all corners of the globe. They offer many investment baskets, including single and multi-asset types that invest in stocks, fixed income, options, and money market funds. But what sets BlackRock apart from the rest? For starters, their innovative approach to corporate structure. Unlike many other firms, BlackRock is organized into a single corporate unit, allowing them to operate with unparalleled efficiency. And that's not all. Financial advisory and administrative costs make up most of the company's income, proving that BlackRock is genuinely a master of its craft. But their success doesn't stop there. In February 2021, they acquired Aperio, a customized indexing company, for a cool $1.05 billion. With a track record like this, it's no wonder BlackRock is the go-to choice for clients worldwide. BlackRock oversees a staggering $9 trillion in assets under management, a true industry powerhouse. With over 16,000 employees spread across 70 branches in 30 countries, BlackRock is a truly global organization. But what makes them so successful? It's simple. Their investments. BlackRock owns stock in an astounding 4,973 companies. And among those companies are some of the biggest names in the tech and energy sectors, including Apple, Microsoft, Intel, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, ExxonMobil, and Nike. These investments are a testament to BlackRock's unparalleled ability to identify and capitalize on the world's most profitable opportunities. The startup story. It all started in 1988, when a group of 8 experienced professionals, including Larry Fink, Susan Wagner, and Robert S. Capito, formed BlackRock in a single room with just a $5 million bank loan. They initially focused on handling assets for clients, and their first major client was the FDIC, which recruited BlackRock to oversee S&L's holdings during a time when the industry was on the verge of collapse. But BlackRock had bigger plans in mind. Fink and his team were developing a revolutionary technology called Aladdin, which would eventually become the cornerstone of their business. By 1994, BlackRock's AUM had soared to $53 billion, and they were making waves in the industry. In 1995, PNC Financial Services Group paid $240 million for a stake in BlackRock Financial Management, a move that some saw as unnecessary at the time. But Fink knew that this was just the beginning of a challenging climb to the top. The relationship with PNC allowed BlackRock to gain a stream of retail clients to complement its institutional clientele, which still accounted for 80% of its AUM in the 90s. And with Aladdin gaining traction in the industry, BlackRock was set to redefine asset management and become one of the most influential companies in finance.
BlackRock has also developed a software platform called Aladdin to perform risk analysis for its clients. It receives sensitive data from banks, insurance companies, and other important institutions. Through Aladdin, BlackRock has insights about the management of financial assets worth another $20 trillion.
Aladdin, the brainchild of BlackRock, was initially launched in 1999. This robust platform analyzes and tracks investors' portfolios, enabling professional money managers to spot potential risks and capitalize on lucrative opportunities. Today, Aladdin is a juggernaut used by top-tier fund managers, insurers, and even some of the most significant public companies in the US, including Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet. But what sets Aladdin apart from the competition? It's all about scale. According to a recent report in the Financial Times, $21.6 trillion in assets sit on the Aladdin platform, representing just a third of its 240 clients. This sheer size is unmatched by any of Aladdin's competitors, making it a true game changer in the industry. Other firms have attempted to replicate Aladdin's success, but none have come close to achieving the same scale. Later years. Despite a rocky start to its public trading, BlackRock remained committed to its goal of providing exceptional value to its clients. Under the leadership of Larry Fink, the company continued to expand its reach through strategic acquisitions and partnerships, becoming a truly global force in the world of asset management. By 1999, BlackRock had established a presence in key financial centers around the world, including Sydney, Singapore, London, and Munich. Through its diversified portfolio and unwavering commitment to excellence, BlackRock had firmly established itself as a leader in the industry, poised for even greater success in the years to come. During the 2008 financial crisis, Larry Fink was called to play a pivotal role in stabilizing the market. As the crisis deepened, Fink's warnings to politicians became more urgent. "The shit is hitting the fan. You've got to do something." Recognizing his expertise and experience, the Federal Reserve Board of New York selected Fink to oversee a massive $30 billion portfolio of assets from Bear Stearns, one of the banks that had collapsed during the crisis. With his leadership, BlackRock navigated the crisis and emerged as a key player in the new financial landscape that emerged in its aftermath. BlackRock's success is largely attributed to Fink's vision and leadership. Under his guidance, the company has continued to grow and expand its operations globally, with a strong emphasis on technology and innovation. As of 2021, BlackRock remains the world's largest asset manager, with over $9 trillion in assets under management. Its Aladdin platform is widely regarded as the industry standard for portfolio management and risk analysis. In addition to its financial success, BlackRock has also been recognized for its commitment to environmental, social, and governance (ESG) issues. The company has made significant investments in sustainable and renewable energy and has actively engaged with companies in its portfolio to promote responsible business practices. Despite its size and influence, BlackRock continues to face scrutiny and criticism, particularly over its role in shaping corporate governance and its impact on the broader financial system. However, it remains a major player in the global economy and a key driver of innovation and change in the finance industry. BlackRock, now the world's largest asset management company, prides itself on its in-house group of qualified portfolio managers and financial experts. Spread across the firm's segment operating areas, these employees are dedicated to serving BlackRock's diverse client base. With offices in key global financial centers such as Atlanta, London, Madrid, Tokyo, Sydney, and Hong Kong, BlackRock's reach spans across America, APAC, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. But BlackRock doesn't just serve institutional clients. The firm also caters to retail investors through a chain of approved middlemen, banks, thrift institutions, health insurers, and freelance experts. These third-party firms are located in 3 of BlackRock's operating zones, further expanding the firm's reach and influence. BlackRock's commitment to serving both institutional and retail clients through its team of experts and strategic partnerships is a testament to its dedication to providing comprehensive investment solutions for investors of all types. It's no wonder that BlackRock is widely regarded as a leader in the asset management industry, with a reputation for innovation, excellence, and client centricity. A media giant, the relationship between BlackRock and Vanguard is a complex one, as both companies have grown to become major players in the asset management industry. While both firms are known for their passive investment strategies, they also compete in other areas, such as active management and ETFs. State Street, the third member of the Big Three, is also a significant player in the industry and is owned by BlackRock. This means that BlackRock effectively owns two of the three largest passive fund asset management firms. Interestingly, Vanguard is the largest shareholder of BlackRock, with a stake of around 7.5%. This may seem unusual, as one might expect two major competitors to have more of an adversarial relationship. However, it's worth noting that both firms share a similar philosophy when it comes to passive investing, and both have benefited from growing popularity of index funds. Vanguard's ownership structure is also unique, as it is owned by the funds themselves rather than by external shareholders. This means that the fund's investors effectively own the company, and profits are reinvested back into the funds. As a result, it can be difficult to determine the exact ownership of Vanguard, but it is known that many wealthy families and institutions have invested in Vanguard funds over the years. Overall, the relationship between BlackRock, Vanguard, and State Street are complex and multifaceted. While there is certainly competition between the firms, there is also a degree of interdependence and shared interests that has helped to shape the asset management industry as it exists today. BlackRock has proven itself to be a leader in the industry, with a focus on innovation and technology. With operations in over 100 countries and a wide range of portfolio and risk mitigation solutions, BlackRock serves a diverse group of clients from retail investors to institutional investors. We hope you enjoyed learning about BlackRock's fascinating history and how it became the powerhouse it is today. Do you think a company like this should be allowed to hold this much power? Or is BlackRock a financial institution that deserves all the credit it gets? Don't forget to comment down below and let us know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.